Hello, friends. Meet Chat GPT. Friends, have you ever wished for a friend who knows the answer to every question? A companion who understands your every thought and gives you the right advice? Someone who writes stories for you, recites poems, and helps you with every task. Whether you want to write a new story or enjoy a poem, Chat GPT is with you. One such friend is Chat GPT. It's a digital companion that understands your every need and is always ready to help. Chat GPT is a large computer program that can talk like humans. It is based on state-of-the-art AI technology that is capable of answering your questions accurately and quickly. It understands everything you say and gives you the right information. No matter what subject you want information on, Chat GPT is ready to answer all your questions. Talking with Chat GPT is a lot of fun. Not only does it give you information, but it also makes conversations interesting and enjoyable. You can ask it anything, just like you would ask a friend. Whether you ask general knowledge questions or want information on a specific topic, Chat GPT is always there for you. Let's find out how you can use Chat GPT. It's very easy and simple. Just open Chat GPT on your device and type or speak your question. Chat GPT will instantly answer your question and provide you with the correct information. How to use Chat GPT? It's very easy. Using Chat GPT is very easy. All you need is an internet connection and a device like a computer, mobile, or tablet. First, you need to go to the Chat GPT website. Then you have to create your account. Now you can start chatting with Chat GPT. Just type your question and Chat GPT will answer you immediately. See how easy it is. Who created Chat GPT and why? Find out here. A lot of smart people came together to create Chat GPT. It is a project that has been contributed to by the best minds from around the world. The company that created it is called OpenAI. OpenAI is a leading AI research institute that keeps innovating in the field of artificial intelligence. OpenAI created ChatGPT to help people work and learn new things. It is a tool that not only increases your productivity, but also teaches you new skills. They believe that ChatGPT will make the world a better place. They want AI to be beneficial for people from all walks of life. ChatGPT is getting smarter every day. It continuously learns from new data and makes its answers even more accurate. Let's now learn how ChatGPT helps us in our daily lives. It not only answers your questions, but also makes your work easier. Whether you need information on a topic or want to write some text, ChatGPT is there for you every step of the way. ChatGPT is very useful in our daily life. It is a tool that can make our lives easier and more productive. It can write stories, poems, and emails for us. Whether you need to write a professional email or a creative story, ChatGPT can help. It can answer our questions, such as about history, science, and math. If you need information on a topic, ChatGPT can be a reliable source for you. It can play songs and even tell jokes. ChatGPT can also be used for entertainment, whether you want to listen to music or funny jokes. ChatGPT can also help children with their studies. It can help with homework and teach kids new things. What's more, it can speak different languages. ChatGPT is also very useful in language translation, allowing you to communicate with people from all over the world. Did you know that ChatGPT has many other benefits? It can help with coding, teach new languages, and even act as your personal assistant. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. ChatGPT is also very beneficial for business people. It can write marketing content for them and help with customer service. We can learn new things and enhance our creativity using ChatGPT. The future of ChatGPT is very bright. In the coming time, ChatGPT will be even smarter and will make our lives even easier. Friends, ChatGPT is an amazing tool that can make our lives easier and more fun. You can use it for free and enjoy its countless benefits. So what are you waiting for? Try ChatGPT today and explore new things. I hope you enjoyed learning about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is truly an amazing tool that is changing our world. So let's all work together to create a better future with ChatGPT.